If you want to move crypto from one blockchain to another, you have a few different options. One method is to use a crypto bridge, a DeFi platform that lets users transfer assets between blockchains. This can sometimes require a basic understanding of how bridges work. An example of a widely used bridge is a cross protocol. As an alternatively, you can use an exchange, but this typically requires signing up and going through verification. The third option is fast, simple, and beginner-friendly, which is the method we will walk you through in this how-to guide. And today's video is proudly sponsored by MyCryptoView Multisender. Need to send Cardano tokens or ADA to multiple addresses? Our Cardano Multisender tool is the solution. Our Multisender also supports other chains, including most EVM chains, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Tron, TON, and Aptos. Check it out to simplify your airdrop distributions. Now, let's continue. Step 1. Go to SimpleSwap via the link in this video description. Note: please remember to use the link in this video description to go to the SimpleSwap site. Should you use another route to get to SimpleSwap, double-check the site address to prevent possible phishing attacks. Step 2. Input the amount of the crypto that you would like to exchange for another crypto. Step 3. Click the exchange button. Step 4. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Step 5. Click the Create an Exchange button. Step 6. Copy the deposit address and send the crypto that you would like to exchange for another crypto to the deposit address and wait for the process to be completed. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.